Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube Paracord community. Today we're gonna create this awesome Paracord bracelet. We're gonna use the sky blue Paracord 550 and this yellow Microcord. So the dimension and the length of Paracord and the Microcord are down in the description box of this video. The tutorial how to create this 4-strand with 2 working ends Paracord bracelet cord you have in the top right corner of this video, so click on the information cards. And you also have this tutorial for this awesome bracelet in the information cards and on our channel as well. So that being said, I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for today's project. So let's start. Let me just zoom. Okay, we're gonna do the basic fishtail paracord bracelet. So with the left cord we're gonna insert into the middle, and with the right cord as well into the middle, so they are gonna cross, and repeat the process into the middle and into the middle. So now when we finished our bracelet, we're gonna go and stitch it up. So I'm gonna detach from the jig, and then from the back side we're gonna count 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna insert under those 3 strands like so. Okay, and now we're gonna pull it to the side, as you can see, and from here we're gonna insert it under, let me just zoom a bit, under this one here, like so. I'm gonna return it to the jig so you can clearly see without losing the focus. Okay, now Sorry everyone, I had a problem with the microphone and I wasn't aware that the audio isn't going. So here, as you can see, we done the right side of bracelet and half of the left side. As you can see on the beginning, we came to the end of a bracelet here, and then I inserted the cord under this first cord here. I inserted the microcord on this first one here, then on top of the microcord this yellow microcord here, and then under it afterwards I was inserting it under this sky blue paracord. When you have the cords out of the bracelet, the microcord out of your bracelet, you're gonna make it on top of this microcord that you have on the side, and then you're gonna insert the needle between the microcord and the bracelet, like so. Now you're gonna pull it, but not to the end, and then enter the microcord under this blue paracord. Now you're gonna pull it until the end, so you're gonna lock this weave here. And that's the basic pattern for this bracelet, or the basic weaving. So when you get it out, you're gonna make it between the microcord and the bracelet, and from here you're gonna insert it under this paracord, and you're gonna pull it to make it tight, and that's it. So here we are, we reached the end of today's project. I hope that you like it. If you do, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and the family, and if you are not subscribed, consider subscribing. Hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new content. And on the end, as always, I wish you just best, stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Dale signing out. Bye.